Hey Glammies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am rocking my natural hair, as you guys can see. I think it looks so cute. I kind of low-key love it. And I'm just gonna be doing a natural look because I'm going out with my friends tonight for one of my friends' birthday. So I'm just gonna do my makeup for you guys. So I'm gonna start off by doing my brows, and what I'm gonna use is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and I'm only using this because my ColourPop brow pencil ran out, which I'm so sad about, and my dumb behind shipped it to my school, and I don't go back to school for 2 more weeks, so like it's looking slow for that. So I'm just gonna outline my brows and then fill it in. And I'm gonna go for a very similar to my brow shape. I'm just gonna follow my brow shape, not gonna get fancy or anything. So that's one brow complete compared to this brow. Hey. And this is in the shade Ebony. One thing about this brow pencil is that it's really stiff. So sometimes it low-key be plucking out my eyebrow hairs when I'm like drawing in my brows. And like I barely have eyebrow hairs to spare, so I'd be like, why are you doing this? Team no brows over here. Nah, my mom has no brows. I have something at least for now. I guess when I get to her age, I'm not gonna have no brows and I'm just gonna have to draw them on like she does. They still look good though. So yeah, this eyebrow always comes out way fleekier than this eyebrow, because this eyebrow is like on a slant for some reason. I don't even know. So now that I have like the basic shape of both of my brows, I'm going to take my LA Girl Beautiful Bronze, same thing I always take, and just clean it up real quick. So this is really the first time that I'm going outside like with my natural hair, oh my god, like in its natural state, because I've been wearing protective styles since the summer when I did my big chop, just because I wanted to let my hair grow out, you know, get some length so I can actually do some styles with my hair. And I really love how it looks. Like, so many people on YouTube kind of scared me about having 4C hair, because people make it seem like it's so unruly, it can't do anything, and like you have no curl pattern, but that's far from the truth. Like, I have the prettiest little ringlets, and you can't really see them in this style because I brushed them out on purpose to make my hair look more stretched out. But like, I'm gonna do a natural hair video and you guys are gonna see, like, I have the prettiest curls. I love them so much. And I'm really happy that I went natural, because although my real hair was long, it was so unhealthy. Like, it would fall out if you even cough on it. Like, literally just cough. Getting perms were ruining my hair, so I had to stop. So I'm definitely happy that I decided to go natural. My sister definitely inspired me, because she's been natural forever and she's been telling us to go natural, but we never listened to her. So yeah. And then for my everyday makeup, I usually just go in with Beautiful Bronze as my foundation all over my skin. So I start with underneath my eyes. I always do at the side of my mouth because it's like darker than the rest of my skin. And my mustache. And it's not really a mustache, but like I have hyperpigmentation, so it kind of low-key be looking like one sometimes. My chin, because I have some acne scarring there. And then the forehead, because my forehead is super hyperpigmented and is a completely different color than the rest of my skin, as you guys can see. And I'm just gonna do a little bit on my nose, but I'm probably gonna have to go back in when I do my contour, my nose contour. So yeah, I always do just a little bit so I don't have to overkill. Then I'm just gonna spray my Luxie brush with some Mario Badescu spray. And this is the 600 Precision Foundation brush. I absolutely love this brush. I feel like it gives me the most flawless look. So I'm just gonna blend this out. And I'm just pressing it into the skin. I feel like I'm a different skin tone than usual. Like, this isn't even my summer shade right now. I don't even know like if this isn't my summer shade, definitely, because I am darker in the summer, but this isn't my normal winter shade. I don't know if my skin has like hyperpigmentation or something. I don't know what's going on. Maybe my hormones are out of whack, but I definitely usually have a more yellow undertone. Now I'm kind of looking neutral these days, which is weird for me because some of my products are not agreeing with my skin color anymore. And I'm like, bro, you have been my routine since freshman year. I'm now a senior and I want you to stay the same because I know that you work. So why are you trying to betray me? Like, don't betray me, stay the same. Me, I don't like to try new products because my skin is so sensitive, anything breaks me out. So like, once I have my set routine, I use it to the death of me. But I think I'm gonna have to change some things up because skin color wise, my routine has been looking a little bit off. And it's okay if I leave it a little not blended at the edges because I'm literally about to go put contour there. So that's why I don't really mind. So this is the contour in the shade Espresso. And honestly, this is really the only thing from Rihanna's line that I like can't live without. The rest of the stuff is like a whatever for me. I could pass on it, but not this contour stick. It's like my perfect contour stick. It's like the most perfect contour stick I've ever had. And I think I'm gonna blend this out with my foundation brush as well because I'm gonna wash it tonight. So it's fine that I'm gonna kind of mix the colors. I'm Shannon. And I'm just taking this in circular motions to blend it out. You guys know the drill. I'm not like light-handed when I do my makeup at all. I just be going in on my face like it's a piece of paper or a canvas. I just be like, no, actually you would probably be gentler to a piece of paper or a canvas than I am to my face. Sometimes when I'm doing my mom's makeup, she's like, you don't literally have to beat my face, you know? And I'm like, sis, it's all a part of the process. You gotta beat that product in so it blends and it's flawless. A nice natural light contour. I'm not going ham today. I'm gonna go on my Ebony Girl Queen Collection bronzer. This is my crack. Like, I can't live without it. It's so beautiful. It's the best bronzer ever. I use it in the summer, the winter, anytime. It's a staple in my makeup. I'm just gonna dust it on my cheekies, my forehead, my neck, underneath my lip, nose, and that's it. And basically, I would go outside with this and just add a lip color, but I don't think I want highlight today. I kind of want to be matte. I guess I'll do an inner eye highlight, a brow bone highlight, and maybe a transition color. So I'm going to take my Tarte's Pro To Go palette and I'm just going to use this shade Hype. I've been calling it Hide for so long, but yesterday when I was editing my video, I noticed that it's actually called Hype. And I was like, oh, that makes so much more sense. Good job, Shannon. I don't know what I was reading. And I'm also just going to take this as my nose highlight because I love it as a nose highlight. Like, look how pretty that is. And then a Cupid's bow highlight. Didn't I just say I wasn't going to highlight? And look at me. Highlighting my life away. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with my Makeup Geek palette because it's right next to me and I'm lazy. So I'm just gonna do Cocoa Bear in the crease because duh, I always do Cocoa Bear in the crease. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend this out with a clean blending brush since I messed up. Going to take Shimmer Shimmer and put it all over my lid. Actually, no, I'm gonna take Glamorous and put it all over my lid. Now I'm just gonna pop on my favorite lip combo, which is my lipstick, Cleopatra and Embellish by ColourPop, and I'm just gonna put Embellish around the corners and then Cleopatra in the center. This is the finished look, and I'm just going to set this with some setting spray. I love this look. I think it's super cute, super easy. I hope you guys were able to follow along. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Just click that subscribe button down below. Plenty more videos in store for me. And I've seen that my subscriber number has grown a lot, so thank you guys for that. Like, I'm hyped. My views hasn't even been that high, but I've been getting a lot of new subscribers, so thank you guys. Keep watching, keep supporting, keep liking. Love you, Glammies.